Namaskar about everyone. Jai Shri Mataji. To all my brothers and sisters of Sahajogis. I'm Dr. Sadanand Ganpat Mankar, right now in Australia, PhD in the music and teaching Indian, Hindustani, pure Indian classical music, also Sahaj music. So, some people ask me and requesting, as we know at the current situations it's a bit hard, not much movements are happening and world is catching on center heart, insecurity and also the right navi because of the money. So just feels not very joyful, so I wasn't singing long time. Anyway, but my classes are online, but not from the heart much singing. Anyway, some people ask me to do the video, so doing the video. As we know, we got the best thing, the Prana Shakti is the Kundalini. We are doing all the treatments in the Sahaj Yoga. So here are some of the tips at the moment. The first thing what we do in our Sahaj Yoga, for left side, because if we sit in the house we feel left-sided, so we had to do candle and camper. We already doing that. Second thing, we do putsuk for all the stress going down. That's things important to the current virus purpose. A little bit help is, I'm not claiming anything here. So whoever doing it, take their medicines or whatever the doctor's advice or WHO, whatever health. But here the cleaning and all sort of physical, all clean, whatever their thing is. Important thing is what is center heart, right navi catching, and also body movement is not much. So second thing is from the nose. Is every day I generally, my family and me, do the camper, ghee and camper, which is told by our mother Sri Mataji, and that clears the nose, both nostrils working okay. Second thing is that will help for the virus cleaning, all those things. Whoever able to do the Sahajogis, all the centers or everybody is doing it, ghee camper treatments, clearing left right by camper or putsuk, right side, we know that. The second thing is, if you say ghee camper is done, so that will help it. Second, one more thing, as a musician, I'm a classical musician and teacher, and teach up to PhD ragas, basic, master, and up to the master degree and PhD degree. Also Sahaj music I do, learn from Pandit Arun Apteji and some of the Nagpur Academy. Anyway, so 30 years I'm in Sahaj Yoga practicing, wherever possible guiding, also teaching music, and I'm bhajan singer from childhood family. So what it is some of the things are important. As a musicians, we know at the current situation the lungs has to be healthy. So how we keep our lung healthy? Sahaj Yoga is there, but if we not moving, Sahaj Yoga is actually the advanced stage. First is you do the yoga postures, which is already Bollywood and everybody does it now in India. No problem about it. Worldwide we know that is yoga postures and yogasana. Then the pranayam, that is, if you say a little bit, college, and actually Kundalini awakening is the master degree. And then furthermore advanced meditation, defensive meditation and things. But as a musician, my heart, lungs are very stronger. So how we keep it? Some of the tips. Important is the when we taking the bath or shower, specifically in the West we do the shower. So we put whatever the hot water we warm it in, we put in our mouth and hold it like a Hanumanam, and then take that shower. But you have to be careful not to take water inside. This is for the 15 years old, more than 15 years old things. If we keep the water in the mouth, So what happens is, as a musicians, what do you call, enemy is asthma, cold, and sneezing. Then we can't sing it if our nose blocked. So to stop the cold, I'm a Drupad Dhamar singer too, and teaching Drupad Dhamar, also Khayal teaching it. So to stop that, its original has said some of the things. For if you say not put the warm water in the mouth and keep it and do like a little bit Hanumanas, and then take the shower. And once shower, some people like in the childhood we used to do Atharva Shisha in the bathroom, but you can't able to do that same time because you can't open. Also, water not allowed to go inside. Don't drown yourself. And keep the water mouth and take the shower. Once the shower finish, drop the water down. So that stops what it is scientifically. Because of that, water falling on the body stops. Also, when we go into the shower, first not take the water on Sahasrara or top of the head. Take it from the feet, hand, and then on the Sahasrara, not immediately on the Sahasrara, immediately hot or cold, whatever you take in the shower. So that makes to stop having the sneezing and the cold to get immediately. Second thing, we do the ghee camper in the nose. We all Sahajogi, the ghee camper to told it. Some people also, another thing is sometimes we do the Ajwan Dhwani. Ajwan, we burn it and take the Ajwan Dhwani, means the smoke, Ajwan smoke, take it out. We know that about Sri Mataji has here told it. But these are the standard treatment. But what happens now currently, because we're not moving outside, some of the things, exercises we had to do it, and because this is only while there's a lockdown. Afterwards, when we're moving, we don't have to do all those. But for me, and closer to the Sahaja Yoga is the Yogasana, yoga, and the Ayurveda. That's what important thing is, our closer thing. So what it is simple things, exercise we do to the lungs. So for the lungs, that is related to yoga and my music. That's how I keep my lungs. Means all the musicians keep them. The first one is you could take the hand. But these in the Sahaja Yoga or Sri Mataji's path, there is no restriction or no protocol. So you could do anytime anything. There is not need anything. But in the yoga postures, if we're doing, best to do 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the afternoon, or different times. So some people can't get up. So 3 hours after food, once you eaten the meal or any kind of heavy food, then 3 hours we have to wait it. Also, second thing, don't hold longer time. Breathe, mostly try to breathe normally from the nose. Some of the Shitali Shitkari you have to breathe it from the mouth. And these postures means basically we know that the Patanjali's thing, Vichara Shaitilya and the Prayatna Shaitilya, means the Nirvichara Samadhi. That's last we got it. But this time we had to move little body, because with this virus, if we just sit down, it's not gonna, with all the mantras and things, Kundalini will move, but body has to little bit move in the house. That's why I'm going to say this thing. Some of the brothers and sisters requested, that's why I'm doing. Anyway, so important is, first thing is breathing. So breathing is, some of the things do like this. This is the part of Parvatasana. So heel position, exhale out. So take the breath, inhale it and raise the hands and exhale it couple of times. Please not to do like a gym like thing, faster. slowly. In the asanas, these things are slowly and nicely. Sahaj, simple and easy. Then the second thing you could do, if you want to, this one, what we do, take the breath in, inhale it and do like that, and then exhale it with like. What that does, all these lungs opening, you will see. Some people will do that way too. Inhale, exhale out. In, out, this way. These are exercise as for musicians who told our gurus has told us, and by that way these things from outside little bit cleared out. So next thing is what we will see is some of the lungs and things we do the pranayam now. Also another some tips if we ask it in the once we eaten in the morning, if you see in the morning daytime if we have meal, sometimes if we office we can't do it, but only the asana is works is called Vajrasana, and it is able to, I can't able to show it at this moment, but Vajrasana, and Vajrasana is if you do only 5 minutes after food and sleep on the daytime, if you sleep on 20 minutes, so that clears all the stuff. And second thing, sometime I might do detailed show about this one. The second thing is if you in the night time just 5 minutes, if you just sit into the, after once you eaten food, Vajrasana, and then you walk it Shatapaugi, means 100 feet, or if you not possible in the walk in the house little bit, or do up and down leg, so that clears out what you call in the stomach there is a what you call that digestive system works. Then the second thing, this one lungs, I have told you this simple vayam you could do the clear out like these ones out, this one like so, simple. Then you could do simple for the lungs. Actually what happens is, this is a bit detail. Om, you will see what you call, there is a Brahma mudra, or these mudras are also there. So you will see you could take it to the left, you will say take the breath and say then right, take the breath, and then take the breath, go down. E means the Adi Shakti, that's our mother, Sri Mataji. And then taking the breath, this is actually the Datta Mudra or Brahma Mudra they talk. Also you will see the what you call Sri Mataji's Vishwarupa talking behind me. Some painter did it, but my mother-in-law is painter, so what happens is you will take with the saying Om, so and feel that Sri Mataji's what you call that Vishwarupa, we are world collective, so you will see or just so we assume that Sri Mataji in our heart and on our Sahasrara, and assume this world collective sort of things, and saying Om and positive things. Okay. Then the second thing, there are many exercises are there. This is called Datta Mudra, means Dattatreya. You know, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha. Also Brahma Deva, it has 4, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha and Ganesha, as told by Sri Mataji. So the 4 all sides we seen it clears the things out. Then the second thing is, there are what you call, these yogas, most of the Sahaj Yogis in the past life, Sri Mataji has said already, we did it, and only we do it only this lockdown time, not otherwise we just have to meditate. Meditation is the best. Our Kundalini awakening, Prana Shakti is within us, and that is important stuff. Okay, this is little bit movement, we need little bit exercise. So first is the Bhastrika Pranayam. In the Bhastrika Pranayam, what happens is, Bhastrika means the bellows, blacksmith or goldsmith. The bellows like that, or some there is a musical thing is there too. So our lungs work like a bellows. So in this one, you take the breath completely and leave the breath. Means basically feel the breath in the body. So leave it from the nose, both nostrils. Second thing, you could do little bit, they call Jwalant Swashan, means faster breathing, and Shwasan and Jwalan Swashan from the chest. There are also abdominal breathing too. We use it in the music. We get the breath in the stomach, and that is abdominal breathing, and then we sing it. But here you could get it from the chest. So little bit do faster. Not like that is a Hatha Yoga part. Slowly do it. Some people might have heart and this bypass. Some people have the thing. Slowly do it. Take in, inhale, exhale, or so feel the in, leave the out. Bhastrika pranayama. Second one comes into the call Kapalabhati. In the Kapalabhati pranayam, what happens is the abdominal area from the Nabhi, there are poisonous gases, probably Swadhisthana and Nabhi. Below the Nabhi, Swadhisthana area, there are poisonous gases, because Void means the below. You say Void means that is the air, and that has to come. Also in our head, also there are nasal cavity poisonous. The pockets are there, air pockets. So it has to go out. And what happens is, we have to do Kapalabhati. In that one, what we do is get the tummy from abdominal or the Nabhi inside it. So you will see, and exhale out. You will see my tummy is going. So tummy is going, and from the nose, exhale it out. Just do it couple of times. Like now, some people have hernia operation or stomach inside operations. They have to do it very slowly and gently, like not like no. And just do it couple of times. We don't have to do too much. Couple of times, because our Kundalini is already awakened. So we don't have to do these all before Kundalini to awaken. For example, the yogis will go into the Himalayas and do the Uttan Padasana, Shirishasana, and the Vrichikasana, means probably putting not asking you to stand on the head and sitting on what you call Vrichikasana, means like a Scorpio position. These all are to Kundalini. They try to bring the Kundalini down. Only if doctor asks, some people's blood has not going to their head, then and then only if full doctor's advice and with the yogi, professional yogi, you do the Sirishasana or Vrichikasana. But in Sahaj Yoga, Sirishasana, Vrichikasana, Sri Mataji has, as far as I know, banned it. We not need to do, don't need to put our Sahasrara on the ground. That's what I no. Not need to put our Sahasrara on the ground, because already our Kundalini is awakened. Only doctor asks, some people's like their thing doesn't go, then they could do Sarvangasana or for Sarvangasana, or putting the they call Viparit Karni, putting little bit feet up, necessary, need it then, but we don't need to do those things. Okay. Then the second thing is, we did have Kapalabhati. After that, what happens is, sometimes Kapalabhati, if we did it, so what happens, the air pockets immediately you get the tissue and clean the nose a little bit. Okay. Some people also, the neti pot, do it. If they put the water in here, clear it out, warm water this side, that is a yogic treatment. Some people have head problem, but they do, if you know it properly, then after that you have to do this Kapalabhati to get that water out. Okay, and that is very good. Sometimes people ask it, like hay fever and these things are there, doctor actually asks you to do the Neti treatment, which is putting warm water and with the sachet and putting this side and this side, clearing it out, and then you do this Kapalabhati, clears out. Okay. If some people have very serious ulcer and this, they don't have to do this Kapalabhati, very little bit do it. Then the Bahya Pranayam. Bahya Pranayam, in this one, two ways called, also before that called Kumbhak or Purak, means get the air in. So if you take the breath in, chin in the neck and hold it and leave it afterwards. Means if we start with only 5 seconds, not more than, and then start increasing. Don't hold too much. People like me able to, because we are practiced, we have 1 minute able to do it. Not if you don't try those things. Then the Bahya Pranayam, which is tummy in and exhale out and tummy in, stomach inside. So you will watch, I will put the camera, exhale out, and you will see my stomach going in. So you will see that is called Bahya Pranayam, means getting the stomach inside, tummy in, pull the tummy in. Okay. Then also same time there, what happens is sometimes we do the called Agnisar, means making the fire in the stomach. So that is Agnisar, means horizontally moving the stomach. So similarly, you don't have to do this one, but some people able to do it with me. Exhale out, and you will see horizontal, my stomach is moving. With the chin in the neck. Sometimes also there is next part is called Navali Kriya. Navali Kriya means the Dakshin Navali, Madhya Navali, and Vam Navali means the, what do you call that, left, right and center. We move the stomach left, right and center. But that is a Hatha Yoga Pradipa. Patanjali has explained it, and for that way we don't need to do all those things. Means I could able to demonstrate it there, but you don't need to do those things. What do you call that? You move the stomach from the left, right, and right to left. Means first I told you horizontally, also they do the vertically. But what happens is, if we in the morning, some people have the problems with the the stools not passing it, because we're not moving much. So in the morning, if you do the Vajrasan, and there is called Mandukasan and some Bhujangasan, means particularly I have to show you, demonstrate those things. Bhujangasan is called a cobra position. And once you do this, what do you call that, little bit, this movement of the stomach, immediately you are able to go to the toilet and all clears it out. What I found out, different, I take allopathic medicines and also Ayurvedic, but it doesn't clear it. Kayam tablet, whatever they don't want to say, the tablets, I clear it out. And some of the doctors, even if nowadays, because there is no medicine for virus, so they are coming and learning from these yoga things with me. And even if they will feel that, they say that the constipation is the very serious problem. And they said that, some of the doctors, I teach them, and they have to go immediately to the toilet. They say that to clear the stomach out, it clears it out. Anyway, so then the next one comes Anulom Vilom Pranayam. And in this one, take from the left and leave it to the right, and take from the right and leave it to the left. So this is called the Pranav Mudra. If you can't make it, you could just say like that, this one. Some people do like that. Okay. Also means this is a Pranav Mudra. Pranav means the Ganesha, and Ganesha's Mudra. So what you do is, taking from the left, Anulom Vilom, and leaving the breath exhale from the right. Then taking, or then from the right, inhale from the right nostril, leaving from the left nostril. Anulom, Vilom. This is similar sort of things like a left-right channel. Then Nadi Shodhan means little bit, because what happens is in Sahaja Yoga, Sri Mataji take us from the central channel, and no guru or no any god able to take from the central channel. Only our Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, our Adi Shakti, takes from the central channel. But this is before that, so that is just a general Ida and Pingala, means the yin yang or Chandra Nadi Surya, as we know the moon and sun. So moon is cold and this is the right side is hot. So what it is Nadi Shodhan for a little bit, because we're not moving it, we have to do this one. So what we do, taking the breath in, inhale from left, hold it, chin in the neck and leave it from the right. Again take it from the other side, right side, hold it, chin in the neck and leave it to the right side. This is called Nadi Shodhan. This clears a bit of balancing left right. And as we know, what happens here is, we know in our Sahaja Yoga, with Sri Mataji's path, our Sahaja Yoga, what we do, left side we know left hand and right hand on the ground, left side clearing, and the right hand on the towards Sri Mataji, and left hand towards up is this clearing left right. Similarly, what happens is, suppose we getting the cold, then what you call hot, then what do we do? Just getting from the left and putting, that's our system, and right, if you want it, then this side we put it. Similarly in the yoga, inside as well, because we're not moving it. Suppose if we're feeling hot, then we have to do Chandra Bhedan. Chandra means moon. So moon is cool. So cool thing is left nostril is always cool. And most of the time one of the nostril is blocked. If they block, seriously, then you get the head paining anyway. So what it is that's why our treatment of the ghee camper, Sri Mataji previously told us, before even if this virus come, that it will stop you from the virus. So if we're feeling hot, then our Sahaja Yoga, we know this take foot soak. And if we're feeling cold, what do you call, sadist feeling, we do the candle treatment or camper treatment, Ova camper, whatever the treatment is. But here, if we're feeling hot, then you take Chandra Bhedan. Chandra means the left channel. Left channel, take and leave it to the right. Take more on the left. Take the left, leave it to the right. Take the left, leave it to the right. That always take the breathing from the left side, leave it to the right. That will makes you cool down. If you want to feel hot in the body, then you take from the right. So Surya Bhedan. Surya means the sun, and sun you have to make in the hot. So taking from the right nostril, leave it to the left. Inhaling from the left nostril, exhaling from the left. Not taking it from that side, because only what you call, you're taking only from right to make the body hot. And also we know the treatment, foot soak, or you could do this one if it is right, left tunnel clearing. We know Sahaja Yoga, that's no problem. But inside as well, this works left and right channel. Chandra Bhedan Surinam, moon side, right side. Then the afterwards comes is called Brahmari Pranayam. And Brahmari Pranayam is useful. People who are having speaking problems, useful for them. But what we do in our Sahaja, we do this the thing. But in this one, you get the thumb and close the nose. Close the ears and just put gently here and say Om like a shankha. Shankha means crunch or humming noise. Take the full breath from the nose, mouth closed. Shankh Dhwani or Brahmar or crunch like noise comes. And this is helpful. Not too much pressing it and not to do too much this Brahmari, because Brahmari is for the Agya. We have to go to Sahasra. Important is Sahasra. Little bit do it, because this time, not too many times. And also in the yoga, you will see most of the time, the next they ask you, if we check it, Bhagavad Gita or Nasikagra Drushti means put the attention on the tip of the nose. Please, in the Sahajogis who are already got this realization, don't do that. If we put the attention on Nasik, tip of the nose attention, then Agya activates. We don't want that, because that time Krishna's Kruta Yuga time. Now Sri Mataji has taken his ass to the Sahasrar, so we have to put attention. So what happened is, when I come to the Sahasrara, Sri Mataji clear I was having siddhis, clear, and say that your Agya is hopeless. Actually say that don't do this Hatha Yoga anymore. And what I used to do, I used to keep some stone on top of my head and put the cap on it, and that's how I used to go to the college. Because what happens, when I sit in the meditation, automatically my attention go on the tip of the nose, because I was a Hatha Yogi. So she said, don't do that. And that's why I used to put the top attention to come here, used to put some stone here and put the cap on it. So attention should stay hold when I'm in the college there. So important is our attention has to be always on the Sahasrara. Because some of these things we don't have to do. Because just I'm telling, because currently we're not moving, and this is the best and better than the that gym and all those things. They are good too, but this is body. Means what happens is, this yoga, Patanjali means this yoga is first stronger to make ourselves. That's the important thing. Because Sri Mataji has opened Sahasrara, so our yoga is easy, got it. Otherwise, previously it was very Kundalini has to go and hit to here and go into the body. And if somebody try to read the books about it, they say that, oh, don't want Kundalini awakening, because the reason was all the suffering used to happen, but this not happen. Our Sahasrara is open, so all the negativity and everything goes out. And Sri Mataji making to the eyes, as we know this one anyway. So that's why don't need to do all these asanas, little bit this time at this moment. Then the another one after this one comes is Ujjayi pranayam. And Ujjayi means making again heat in the some people asthmatic or bronchitis problem. That's for them. And what happens here is, you take the breath and make this throat this throat bigger. You make it akunchal, means smaller, and try to take the breath, contract throat and take the breathing. So it sounds a bit difficult now. Some people can't take it, so they sometimes I had to tell my wife I'm doing this one, because they get scared. What happened to me? Because so you contract your throat and take the breathing from the nose, but and after that leave it from the left nostril. That is called Ujjayi, and this Ujjayi is very helpful for the people. It makes fire a little bit hit into the chest. So the Dhamma means the balgam or whatever, the Dhamma mucus goes down. Then another one is, some people have the problems, if you say the acidity and those things for them, but not to do it in the cold, in the warm time, or some people have acidity. This is very good. That is called Shitali and Shitkari. So first I will do Shitkari. Shit as a sound comes, just like sound comes. So get the teeth. In these two teeth, you put the tongue in between, means behind it, and not bite it. Gently behind it, and take the breathing with hissing sound, and sit it make the noise. Simple one. Some people left it, leave it from the left nostril. Also, some people, some yogis directly here do the Brahmari. It means here do like because Brahmari always very very useful, nice. Then this is Shitali, sorry, Shitakari, because Shit sound comes. Left nostril. Okay. Then the second one is called Shitali pranayam. For Shitali, we have to do Kaki mudra like a crow, and that's looks bit awkward. But this our tongue, you have to fold it and make like that in the mouth. Initially you not, but automatically it happens. And put the teeth on very gently on it and take the breath in, and then leave it with left nostril or anyhow by both nostrils. But about Shitli and Shitkari, you don't have to do too many times, because if we do Shitli Shitkari, immediately the cold coming because you start able to sneeze it. So don't 1, 2 times, 3 times, not because our Kundalini is awakened, little bit to it, not too much. So that was the Shitali, Shitkari. And the last one, what do you call that? There are, what do you call that? Sri Mataji, there is actually video, and I show this video in my advanced meditations, and that time some of the things I showed it, Jiva Bandha and some of those things, Uriyan Bandha, Mula Bandha, and what do you call that, Jalandhar Bandha and Mahabandha. So Sri Mataji has done Mahabandha actually once and showed it onto the video. That's called Advanced Nirvikalpa Samadhi. She showed it actually how to do it, and I have demonstrated those things in my advanced meditation or defensive meditation, we say. And there was a time one time defensive meditation, so I had to teach this, not say teach, I guiding to the people. And that time I showed the video, chakras over Sahasrara or advanced meditation sort of things. So there is a video actually Sri Mataji is doing Mahabandha. But those are bandha you have to actually come and learn from properly in front of it. It's very hard because those are advanced stages. I teach it to my students also. Anyway, so what happens is after this, there are total these 7 pranayams, means breathing exercise. The last one is called Udgit pranayam, means actually, and the Pranava Dhyana. Pranav means Sri Ganesha and Omkar Nad, and that's the Sri Ganesha's thing. Dhyan means Om set. There are total 65 types of Omkar chanting stages. I teach some of them, Panchapadi, Chatuspadi Omkar, Panchapadi Omkar, and so on. Some of them I teach it, but this is very very simple. What we say is Om, important is put attention on top of the head and go into the silence for a minute. So video is a little bit getting longer now, but I'm a musician and I can't help it, at least for the center heart. I'm singing right now. Actually I could sing Khayal or Drupad, but singing very very simple and Guruji's Arunaptes and maybe one of the combinations from, I don't know, maybe Ajit Gadkari's point, but I didn't learn from there. I learned from Arunapte and learned some of the stuff and simple for the one mantra for the, what we say, one mantra for the central heart, and try to sing, you can call it Sri Mataji's prayer. So hope you're able to like it. Both demonstrated, first Arunji's and then some bhajan of the Ramadasa. Outline also give it to on harmonium. I don't use it. Drupad Damar told me. Sa re ma pa da sa sa ga pa ma re sa sa Jaya Jaya Ho Mahima Tere Jaya Jaya Ho Mahima Tere Mada Bhagavati Rakshagari Jaya Jaya Ho Mahima Tere Mada Bhagavati Rakshagari Jaya Jaya Ho Jaya Jaya Ho Mahima Tere Jaya Jaya Ho Mahima Tere Mata Bhagavati Rakshagari Pranamami 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 Bhuvaneshwari Jaya Jaya Ho Vishwanirmala Dharmadahini Vishwanirmala Dharmadahini Varda Devi Premadayini Jaya Durage Jaya Durage Jaya Jaya Durage Jaya Jaya Bhagavati Rakshagari Vishwanirmala Dharmadahini Varda Devi Premadayini Pranamami 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 Parameshwari Jaya Jaya Ho Mahima Jaya Jaya Ho Mahima Jaya Jaya Ho Mahima Jaya Jaya Ho Mahima this one. Another one bhajan is Ramdasa's bhajan, and purposefully singing it. Jai Jai Durga Mata Bhavani, Jai Jai Durga Mata Bhavani, Apani Marini Asura Dala Paradini, Apani Marini Asura Dala Paradini, Jai Jai Nirmala Mata Bhavani, Jai Jai Nirmala Mata Bhavani, Apani Varini Asura Dala Mardini, Jai Jai Durga Mata Bhavani, Ramadasa Charakaya Bhavani Dayani Shiva, Jai Jai Nirmala Mata Bhavani, Jai Jai Nirmala Mata Bhavani, Corona Mardini, Kobita Nashini, Corona Mardini, Kobita Nashini, Jai Jai Nirmala Mata Bhavani, Jai Jai Durga Mata Bhavani, Sava Jagat Ko Sukha Karani, Dukha Harani, Sukha Karani, Dukha Harani, Daridra Nashini, Sukha Karani, Dukha Harani, Sava Jagat Ko Sukha Karani, Dukha Harani, Jai Jai Nirmala Mata Bhavani, Jai Nirmala Mata Bhavani, Apani Varini Asura Dala Mardini, Apani Varini Mahishasura Mardini, Jai Jai Durga Mata Bhavani, Corona Mardini, Kobita Nashini, Sarvaroga Nashini, Daritya Nashini, Jai Jai Durga Mata Bhavani, Jai Jai Durga Mata Bhavani, Om Dayani Shiva, Jai Jai Durga Mata Jagadamba Saksha Om Twameva Sri Jagadamba 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 Sri Durga Mata Sakshat Sri Jagadamba 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 Sri Jagadamba Sri Adi Shakti Sri Nirmala 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 Deve Namo 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 Thank you very much for opportunity, giving me the chance. Stay well and safe.